from bakingamoment.com. Could there be anything more wonderfully comforting than a freshly baked chocolate chip cookie still warm from the oven? I can't think of anything my family enjoys more, and this recipe is super simple to make. You don't have to chill the dough or rest it, and the cookies come out so incredibly soft and buttery with plenty of melty chocolate chips running all throughout. Delicious. You can whip up a batch of these soft chocolate chip cookies in less than 30 minutes, and your family is going to love you for it. Hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we do.